Humanoid robot. A humanoid robot is a robot with its overall appearance based on that of the human body. Humanoid robots are professional service robots built to mimic human motion and interaction. Like all service robots, they provide value by automating tasks in a way that leads to cost saving and productivity. Humanoid robots are a relatively new form of professional service robot. While long dream about, they are now starting to become commercially viable in a wide range of operations. In general, humanoid robots have a torso with a head, two arms, and two legs, although some forms of humanoid robots may model only part of the body, for example, from the waist up. Some humanoid robots may also have a face with eyes and mouth. Androids are humanoid robots built to resemble a male human, and gynoids are humanoid robots built to resemble a human female. Humanoid robots are being used in the inspection, maintenance, and disaster response at power plants to relieve human workers of laborious and dangerous tasks. Similarly, they are prepared to take over routine tasks of astronauts in space travel. Other diverse applications include providing championship for elderly and sick, acting as a guide and interacting with the customers in the role of receptionist. Potentially even being a host for growth of human transplant organs. There's a wide range of tasks a humanoid robot can automate, from dangerous rescues to compassionate care. The ways in which these robots are deployed are constantly expanding, and as underlying technology improves, the market will follow suit. Applications: industrial robots perform specific repetitive tasks such as soldering or painting parts in car manufacturing plants. With the improvement of sensors and devices for human robot interaction, robotic manipulators are increasingly used in less controlled environments such as high precision surgery. Based on the current trends, there are many ways to we can expect humanoid to transform our future. Robots in public security, robots in education, robots in the home, robots as a co-worker, robots might take our jobs. They create job, autonomous cars, healthcare robots. Robots in public security, artificial technology for predicting and detecting crime might seem far-fetched, but it's quite possible for the future. We are looking at drone footage, for instance, will make that happen soon. In addition, automatic recognition of suspicious activities is already a reality for camera-based security systems. This technology will change society in a very important way. It will allow law enforcement officials to act quickly whenever a suspicious behavior has been spotted. Robots in education, the line between classroom and individual learning setting is already starting to blur. Computer-based learning is already changing things in that matter. It's not replacing the teacher, but it enables students to learn at their own place. Robots will boost the process of personalized learning. NAO, the humanoid robot, is already forming bonds with the students from around the world. It comes with the important sense of natural interaction, including moving, listening, speaking, and correcting. Robots at home, connected home robots are already becoming part of our lives. Multifunction robotic cookers are able to fry, steam, bake, and perform any other action without our intervention. We just set them up. These cloud connected robots are likely to evolve into more advanced version. We expect to see speech comprehension and increased interaction with the humans in the upcoming years. These developments may end up changing the entire look and feel of our homes. Healthcare robots. We are looking into different future of healthcare too. Instead of visiting primary care physician who will give us a checkup with a simple stethoscope, we will have intelligent robots performing these tasks. They will interact with the patients, check on their conditions, and evaluate the need for further appointments. Pharmabotics will bring more huge changes. They will be like ATM for medicines, so we can get the medicines we need while avoiding the inconvenience of talking to stranger about our health issues. Robotics for entertainment. Robotics are getting more personalized, interactive, and engaging than ever. With the growth of this industry, virtual reality will enter our homes in the near future. We will be able to interact with our home entertainment system through conversations, and they will respond to our attempts to communicate. Robots will boost our standard of living. We have seen this throughout history. Automation and mechanization boost the overall standard of living. We have seen it with the individual revolution, and it's going to happen again. According to the estimates from the United Nations, poverty was reduced to a greater extent over the past 5 decades than the previous 50 years. That's because the global economy grew sevenfold. The technology played a huge part in that progress. Thank you.